Hey there everybody, today is Thursday, 31st day of August 2023. It's about 7:44 in the morning and you see we're at Unity Park, city of Magnolia, that would be in Texas. And so I just wanted to show you this sign. I'm going to do a video of this park today. This is the entrance to it right here. That's the road you drive down, and as we go along I will show you various things here. Alright, so after you come down the road just a little piece from the entrance sign I just showed you, you run across this park, and right now it's got really nice reflections on it, as you can see. So hopefully you like this calmness here, even though there's some road noise and stuff. But you know, don't you like those reflections there? I know I do. Pretty cool. And I'll just go back and show you the whole lake here. There we go. That's the whole thing. Hope you like that. So let's move on and see what else we can get. Alright, so here you see we are kind of up here at the beginning of the park. I just want to show you all these flag poles and this pavilion here. I think that's worth a look. Look down a little bit at this pavilion, and in a little while I'll show you the other side of this thing, and then we'll take it from there. So I'm pointing down now, so you can see that there's some nice flower beds here. We'll just slowly go backwards, show you a little bit of this. So they've got some nice ones. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed that. I just gave you one final look up here. Not a bad looking place, is it? You can see the flags there now, and the building out there. Alright, let's move on to something else. This, you can see, it's just a little tower. I think it's part of a splash pad. I think it's kind of cool to see. Just wanted to show you that whole little thing in this little area. Pretty neat. Alright, hopefully you like this little area. Back here now to the back side of it, and I just want to show you. See if we can straighten that out just a little bit. Just show you some of the pavilion here. We'll fly up to it, and you can see straight through it right there already. Okay, and with my obstacle avoidance on, that's as close as it'll let me go. Alright, so let's go over in. Let's give it you another shot. Alright, so let me back you up from this thing right here, and you can see this is like some little stage, I assume, that they have set out up here. This is on back behind the pavilion itself that I just showed you from the back, so there you got a pretty good shot of that. So there you can see, so you can have like a little band or a speaker or something there. So that's overall pretty cool. I don't feel too comfortable flying this part, but I just wanted to show you this part of the park. You see that? All that good green stuff down there. I turn a little fast, I know. But here, let's walk down this side. We'll see how much this gimbal helps with this shakiness. But you see that part down there? There's a lot of trees and things right around here. So I don't really want to chance what this would look like. But hopefully that's kind of a cool shot anyway, doing it by hand with the Lite Plus. Alright, so on this part, I thought I would just take you on a little walk down the little bit of the walking path that they've got here. Just to show you some of this. It's actually mostly in shade. This is actually the sunny part. It's the most open part. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of this. Show you what kind of a walking path you can expect here. It's actually a really nice one. I've walked it probably half a dozen times or so now, and I like it. So there's one more thing I want to show you, and then we'll go from there. Alright, the last thing I want to show you is this little skate park they got here. Just kind of fly over it just so you can see it from a low level. My granddaughter actually loved this. I brought her here and she ran all through here and she had a really good time. So I just wanted to kind of preserve it for that memory. And so that's about it. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. While I bring it back, you know, do all the good stuff, like it, share it, subscribe, and you know, all those things. And you know, take care of yourselves. And with that, I'll go ahead and close this one out, and we'll call it a video. I'll see you on the next one.